I know, yet another Vision Pro rumor video, but to be honest, Vision Pro news is in a pretty dry state other than the recent Vision OS 26 update, so this is the best you'll get. A new report from Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, linked in the description, says that the refreshed Vision Pro, all but confirmed to come out sometime this year, is going to have more improvements than we previously thought. In previous videos, I've talked about reputable insiders leaking that the new Vision Pro would only have an upgraded chip and no other features. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo wrote in his Apple roadmap that he expects them to mass produce the refreshed Vision Pro this quarter, pretty clearly saying that it'll be the same as the current Vision Pro except for a chip upgrade from M2 to M5. However, Mark Gurman is saying something completely different. He believes that the refreshed Vision Pro will have an M4 chip, a new head strap that will improve comfort, and upgraded components that will improve AI performance. For the head strap, they're working on ones that try to alleviate the heaviness of the Vision Pro without making it lighter internally. No clue as to what kind of strap they'll make, but I'm sure they'll look at third-party ones like the Anna Pro and the globular cluster for inspiration. In terms of internals, Gurman says that they'll be putting an M4 chip in and supposedly increasing the cores in the Neural engine, which is one of the most important parts for Apple's AI. By Apple's AI, I don't just mean the image playground app that everyone's only used once. I mean the AI features on the headset that can turn 2D photos into 3D spatial scenes. I love the spatial scenes feature in Vision OS 26, so I'll be interested to see how more cores can improve the quality and to make photo conversion faster. It's kind of interesting seeing how Kuo and Gurman are seemingly talking about the same headset, but have such drastic differences in their rumors. It's funny because we'll probably only have to wait a few months to see who's right. I'd prefer if Gurman is right because his headset is a lot less boring, but either way, a refreshed Vision Pro isn't too interesting to me. I'd honestly prefer to wait for a Vision Pro 2. But let me know your thoughts in the comments. I hope you enjoyed this video and take care.